will learn how to download and install JMeter. So first of all, click on this link. I'll provide this link in the description or in the comment section. Okay. So go to this link. Okay. So scroll down. Here you can see two things. One is binary and another is source. So we will be downloading the binary one. And this first link, this .tgz is for Linux. And for Windows, we will be downloading this zip file. Okay, so click on this. So our download has started. So let's see. Our download has started. It will take a while. Okay, so it is completed. So you can see our JMeter is downloaded. So let's extract this thing first. Extract all. Let's browse to other folder. Let's extract here. Select folder, then extract. Okay. File is downloaded. Extracted. Yeah, click on that. Then go to bin. And here you can see Apache JMeter, and it is executable Jar file, and it will be open in Java. Okay, so if it doesn't show this Java symbol here, you can simply go there and right click, then right click here, then right click, and you can choose open with, then Java platform SC live binary. Okay, if it doesn't show this Java symbol here, then you can go to right click, then open with Java platform SC binary. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to simply click on this, then it asks for this, then we will click on this Java, then always. Now you can see our JMeter is started. So now first of all we will manually create in JMeter. So you can see test plan. Right click on this test plan, then click on right add, then in trades, then here you create trade group. So give the name for the trade group, like let's say JMeter demo. Okay, then here's number of trade means number of user, how many user will use it at a time. Okay, so then right click on this, then add, we'll be adding a different, like first we'll be adding http request. Okay, then go to add, then sampler, then this, but before that let's add something else. Mm, go to, okay, so before sampler, okay, let's first uh, add http request default. So go to add, here first right click here, then add, then config element, then http request default. Here we will provide the server. So let us do this is google.com. We'll be testing that for google.com. Okay, then this is it. Then next we will be adding, go to JMeter, right click, add sampler http request. So we will do google.com. Okay, server is google.com. So let us Yeah, we are providing maps. Okay, then that is it. Then next is you go to then add sample. We have added this HTTP request. Then you will add some listener. We will add this. Then listener summary report. Then another we'll add is graph result. Okay, so this is where we're adding this series. This. Then in JMeter we will be creating user, let's say 50 users. Okay, I have added 50 users. Then let's save this and let's save it somewhere else. Um, let's create new folder. Yeah, JMeter, JMeter files. Okay, so JMeter demo. Then let's save this. Save here. We'll save this. Then now what we have to do is we have to run this. So here, this is the run button. So simply click there. Then here you can see it is accepting our test is run. And based on that, here what you can see is we have 50 sample and total info to 50 we have run. And here we have got various data given. And in graph, you can see this uh, graph. Okay, then again let's run it. Here you can see it shows the numbers, right? That means how many it will show how many is complete and how many is running in progress. Okay, so yeah, in this graph you can see different terms like throughput, deviation, number of samples, latest sample, average, and median. So your throughput is saved based on the average, and the more the throughput, the better that site is, and the more the deviation, the um, less worse the site is. So um, the number of the increase in this green line indicates that the site is performing better. This is used, JMeter is used for performance testing. Okay, so it determine that. So this is how we will manually perform the performance testing. So that's it for the video. Have a good day. Bye bye.